Bad credit got you down? Let's turn that around. Learn how to legally remove negative marks from your credit report and boost your financial health. Our step-by-step guide makes it easy. Don't let bad credit hold you back. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay to the end to receive a bonus tip. Welcome. Today we're diving into how to legally remove negative items from your credit report and boost your score. Let's get started. Before we can remove anything, we need to know what we're dealing with. That means getting your credit reports. You can get a free copy from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, every year. The best place to get these reports is annualcreditreport.com, authorized by the government and completely free. You're entitled to 1 free report from each bureau every 12 months, so space them out and pull one every 4 months. Follow the simple steps on annualcreditreport.com to request your reports and verify your identity. You've got your credit reports, now what? It's time to review. This is your chance to channel your inner detective and uncover any hidden details that could be affecting your financial health. First, ensure all your personal information is correct. This includes your name, address, social security number, and employment history. Any discrepancies here could be a sign of identity theft or simple clerical errors that need to be corrected immediately. Next, dive into your credit accounts. Look for late payments, collections, charge-offs, and other negative marks. These can significantly impact your credit score, so it's crucial to identify them. Make a list of any accounts that have negative marks and note the dates and amounts involved. Highlight any errors, like a payment marked late when you paid on time, or an unrecognized account. Even small mistakes can have a big impact on your credit score. Use a highlighter or make notes to keep track of these errors. Thoroughly review your reports to catch inaccuracies and start boosting your credit score. Compare your reports from all 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, as errors might appear on one but not the others. If you're overwhelmed, reach out to a trusted financial advisor or credit counselor for help. They can provide expert guidance and help you understand the complexities of your credit report. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice if you need it. Knowledge is power, and understanding your credit report is the first step to taking control of your financial future. By knowing what's on your report, you can take proactive steps to improve your credit score and secure better financial opportunities. Let's move on to disputing those errors. This is a crucial step in ensuring your credit report accurately reflects your financial history. Stay tuned for tips on how to effectively dispute and correct any inaccuracies. Now that you've reviewed your credit reports, it's time to identify negative items dragging down your score. Look for late payments, collections, charge-offs, bankruptcies, foreclosures, tax liens, and civil judgments. Even legitimate negative items can contain errors, like a late payment listed for the wrong date. Catching these inaccuracies is crucial for improving your credit score. Highlight any errors and prepare to dispute them. Let's move on to writing a rock-solid dispute letter. You've identified some negative items on your credit report that you believe are inaccurate. These inaccuracies can significantly impact your credit score and financial health, so it's crucial to address them promptly. Now it's time to draft a persuasive dispute letter. This letter is your opportunity to clearly state your case and provide the necessary evidence to support your claim. Address your letter to the credit bureau reporting the inaccurate information, Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. Each bureau has its own process, so make sure you follow their specific guidelines. Include your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number. This information helps the credit bureau verify your identity and locate your records quickly. Clearly identify the specific item you're disputing with account name, number, and relevant details. Be precise and concise to avoid any confusion. Explain why you believe the item is inaccurate and provide evidence to support your claim. This could include payment receipts, correspondence with creditors, or any other relevant documents. For example, include a bank statement showing an on-time payment or a utility bill to prove your identity. The more evidence you provide, the stronger your case will be. Make sure your letter is well organized and includes all necessary documentation. A clear and concise letter will make it easier for the credit bureau to process your dispute. Now let's discuss how to send your dispute. Send your letter via certified mail with a return receipt requested. This way you have proof that the credit bureau received your dispute. Keep copies of everything you send for your records. Following these steps will help ensure your dispute is taken seriously and handled efficiently. You've crafted the perfect credit dispute letter. Now it's time to send it off. You have a few options: online, snail mail, or phone. Online submission is fast and convenient, with secure portals for uploading documents. Snail mail provides tangible proof of receipt, especially helpful for stubborn errors. Phone allows for immediate interaction but requires navigating automated menus and documenting conversations. Choose the method that works best for you and send your dispute. You've submitted your dispute, now what? It's time to wait. This waiting period can feel like an eternity, but it's a crucial part of the process. Credit bureaus are legally required to investigate disputes within 30 days. This means they have a month to gather all necessary information and make a decision. While waiting, resist the urge to constantly check your credit report. Checking too often can lead to unnecessary stress and anxiety. Use this time to focus on other aspects of your financial life, like reviewing your budget or tackling debt. This can be a productive way to manage your time and keep your mind off the waiting. Familiarize yourself with the credit bureau's dispute process on their website. Understanding the process can give you peace of mind and help you know what to expect. Understand the steps they take to investigate disputes and the types of outcomes you can expect. This includes verifying the information with the creditor and possibly contacting you for more details. Patience is key, and every step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. Remember, this is just one part of your financial journey. Let's move on to what happens if your dispute is denied. It's important to know that a denial isn't the end of the road. There are still steps you can take to address the issue. Consider reaching out to a credit counselor for advice on your next steps. They can provide guidance and help you understand your options. You can also write a statement of dispute to be included in your credit report. This allows you to explain your side of the story to anyone who reviews your report. Stay hopeful and proactive. With persistence and the right approach, you can work towards resolving any issues and improving your credit. If your dispute is denied, don't panic. This isn't the end of the road. Review the credit bureau's explanation for denying your dispute. If you still believe the negative item is inaccurate, you have the right to appeal. Provide more evidence and be thorough in your appeal. Include copies of canceled checks, bank statements, or correspondence with the creditor. Stand up for your rights and fight for a fair and accurate credit report. Sometimes negative items on your credit report are accurate, but that doesn't mean you're stuck with them forever. You can often negotiate with creditors to have them removed. One approach is a pay-for-delete agreement, offer to pay off the debt in exchange for removal. Not all creditors will agree, but it never hurts to ask. Get everything in writing before paying, including the terms and date of removal. Let's move on to writing a goodwill letter. Sometimes, negative marks are due to genuine mistakes or unforeseen circumstances. You might be able to request a goodwill adjustment from your creditor. Be sincere and authentic in your letter, acknowledging the negative item and taking responsibility. Explain the circumstances that led to the negative mark and provide any supporting documentation. Creditors are more likely to respond favorably if they believe you're genuinely remorseful and committed to improving your credit worthiness. Now let's discuss hiring a credit repair company. Dealing with credit report errors can be overwhelming, and many consider hiring a credit repair company. These companies specialize in disputing errors and negotiating with creditors. However, they can't magically erase legitimate negative items. Do your research and choose a reputable company that complies with the Credit Repair Organizations Act, CROA. Look for organizations accredited by the Better Business Bureau, BBB, with a proven track record. Read reviews, ask for referrals, and ask tough questions about fees, services, and guarantees. Congratulations! You've learned how to obtain your free credit reports, identify inaccuracies, dispute errors, and negotiate with creditors. Maintaining a healthy credit score requires ongoing vigilance and proactive monitoring. Make free credit report checks a regular habit, spacing them out every 4 months. Keep a close eye on your bank statements, credit card statements, and other financial accounts. Look for any suspicious activity and address it promptly. Let's wrap up with some final thoughts. That's it. You're now armed with the knowledge and tools to legally remove negative items from your credit report. A good credit score is the key to unlocking lower interest rates, better loan terms, and greater financial peace of mind. Take action today, follow these steps, and start boosting your credit score like a pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances and improving your credit score. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promise. If your credit report looks like a minefield, it's time to clear the path. Let's get started. Dispute any errors you find on your credit report. Contact the credit bureaus with proof, and watch those negative items disappear. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos.